What's up, everybody? What's going on this week? We back with another video. Today we checking out Lauren Halsey at David Kordansky. Look at me talking right here. Obviously, clearly can't hear me because the wind was being picked up in the microphone. But whatever, we're here today. Let's check it out. David Kordansky Gallery. Let's get it. Oh man, she's telling me I gotta take my shoes off in here. Man, I don't want to do that. Foot odor. Alright, let's go in here. Let's see what's going on in here. Got everything in here looking like a bunch of sign work and sign paintings and, advertisements for restaurants and different, businesses. So the installation itself looks like it's made of a bunch of different paintings and like hand painted signs and different posters and things like that. And it takes up the entire space of the gallery. It seems like when you're going through it, it's like you're walking through a bunch of high-rise buildings. Like these buildings have been put in a smaller scale and you're like Godzilla or something walking through them. On each of these, structures, these cubic structures, it's like, pictures and faces of famous black people, famous black figures like Dr. Claude Anderson right here. That's the homie right there. You got to read his books. Or some kind of advertisement for like a minority business, whether that be like a restaurant or a barbershop or like a salon or like, I don't know, a bar or anything like that. I guess it can be noted that most of these businesses will be found in like minority neighborhoods, aka the hood, you know what I'm saying? Places like Compton, I guess Inglewood if that counts. The placement of these hand-painted signs are kind of weird just because usually you wouldn't see them stacked on top of each other like this. It's kind of like a project or something like that, if you think of like projects in Brooklyn or like Chicago, or I guess they even have them here in Los Angeles. It can be like a symbol for, I don't know, displacing black people, either in like these confined spaces to live amongst each other with people on top, under, and on both sides of you. Or it could be like a symbol for gentrification where, these companies or these big, I don't know, corporations putting buildings in these areas and just taking away the businesses that were established there in the first place. Right here you got the scented oils. These actually smell really, really good. You can't smell it from the screen, but it was banging. They got all these cool names like the My Life by Mary J. Blige and Black Love. I've definitely seen some of these, growing up where I was living in Detroit. If you have not listened to Patrice Rushen, you are missing out. That is Bay right there. Alright, thank you guys for rolling with me to check out this show by Lauren Halsey. Tune in next week. We got some more coming up. I'll holler at y'all later. Peace, family.